We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along.
The night is brutally long, we fight fluently to go on. UMC steeds, true indeed, here's one to grow on. So strong, seeds in the turf, a weed storm. Call sin by its name, ain't ashamed to say it's wrong. Put pain back in song, you better be seated, cause I let it in, severing the head from neck beneath it. It's a measure of a man, if he never retreated, just to tether back the storm. So whatever the weather,
well, never mind what they told you, son. You got a drool inside, your mind's been filled with lies since the first push and cry. It's bad enough, we gotta fight with the body. A fellowship that fell, bent on selling us hell. Now maybe bring them back to where you came from, so someone could get a glimpse into your problem. And tell the pastor to come out where you live, so he can see the damage firsthand to bring all of his kids.
Got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along. We got to go on. We gotta keep on moving along.
yo, it's a foot race with sundown space to take shelter. But I'm patient when I run, cause I'm chasing the storyteller. So I wait for the calm, then break from the peloton. Skate the thin ice of this pond over Babylon. Grip the baton strong, let me be the anchor to this 12-man relay team of rap crusaders. In the pack, let your neighbor pass, drafting off our labor, deep space. And this last to be the first to grasp your nature.
I had to swim out to my boat before I left out to sea. It was either drown myself or fight to breathe. My heart gave me a plan to follow a new voice and stand for the cause, given the vision with low noise. Poised to stay focused, to let my life grow. Surround myself with fam and always keep flow. Know what's been tainted to understand what's real. This is for the world and nothing is concealed.